I'm gonna show my Hot Wheel. Turbo. Saya, hey, that's not a Hot Wheel because it doesn't have a logo. First, there's the Hot Wheels logo. See that? And I named him Turbo Jet. And look at my Hot Wheels. Yeah, that's really Hot Wheels. Like, look, it has the logo. Wait, die! You can't see it? Or you can see it? I can't see it. And this is my baby. Super duper cute. Hey. And then my toy. These are my... Just joking. These are my truck. And then let's go. Okay. Get out. Okay, close this. Oh! Okay, and then put it here. 1, 2, 3. Man, that was not even 3. Come back here. What should I add? Oh! Let's go! Do you see why I'm taking this table? Yeah. Don't blame me because it's Paw Patrol. I used to be a kid, okay? Well, I am a kid, but I used to be 5 years old. But now I'm 8. Yeah, my age reveal. Okay. Like that, like a whee, like that. And then bring this thing. Hey! There you go. There, you see it? 1, 2, 3, go! Bro, it got stuck. There you go. That is so cool. Let's go try it from other times. This is not really Hot Wheels, but it got stuck again. Again. Oh, I know. Again. Wow. Oh, I know. Wow. I know. That is not gonna work. No, it's gonna work. Let's go see. Oh my gosh. See? It's not gonna work. Okay, let's go build. Oh, there.
The chemicals do not enter through my feet because they enter through the feet. That's why I'm wearing.
Yeah, I know, but oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. See? Bro, why does it always get stuck? It used to work. Alright. Why does it always get stuck? It got stuck!
No, man, because I have a sprayer that will actually remove that.
I know.
I think
Let's wait, guys. Okay, guys, I know how to not use this thing. I know how to use this thing first. Get on this and then... Whee! Saya booty cheese! Whee! See? Oh! a slide.
Mom, it's just a slide.
Watch this.
Ah, masisira.
Saya!
That's not a slide.
That is not a slide.
Broken yan. You can wear for that.
It's kind of a slide.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's gone over there. You've been me.
Yung madam ang TV na. Yes. That's why your feet were so beauty. Ano ba wala akong mga